Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will once again run BinBotPro. In this video we will do like we did in the last. We will run our own MACD bot, not one of the top 10 bots. We will run our own. So what to do, we just push then one time on it and we push run. Just so you can see, if you want to copy my bot, I have basically just set every single pair on the middle. I don't prefer either sell or buy. What you can do, as I told in another video, you can edit this. Just look at a little higher time frame, like 50 minutes, 30 minutes. Something that is higher on what you're trading on, because each trade for us is like 7 minutes, right? So if you look at 30 minutes, you get a good trend. That can be, for example, if the bar is above 200 moving average, that means you only want to do buy options. Then you can go to the spot and choose that for each and every pair here, and your win rate will be much better only by doing so. So the bot looks like this. So you can pause the video if you like to copy this. Now we will go in here. We will need to log in and see if we have a trade already. Now let's see. Then we go down here. As you can see, there are still no trades. If we now go back to here, we then push this one and we can see it's running. So then it's basically, now he will have, when you have a cross with the MACD, that means it's a trend following. So it's always good, at least because the trades are 7 minutes long. That's why MACD actually work pretty darn good with a higher time frame. If you take on just 2 minutes or something, I have seen in many videos on YouTube, the 2-minute strategies, this type of things. If you backtest it, it's garbage. So don't use it. Now let's see. We still do not have any trades going on. So we just need to wait. Also, below the video you will find a link to BinBotPro. You also will find a promo code that will give you 200%. That means, for example, if you deposit the minimum of $250, you will receive $500, and if you deposit $1,000, you will receive $2,000. That with if you're using my link that you find below the video. It's taking a little long time. I don't want the video to get so long, so maybe we will just take the CryptoBot. The CryptoBot, I don't like it so much because I don't understand the trade so much, but in sake of this video, it's not getting to be too long. Let's just see. Still no trades. Let's just turn this one on and we take the one that comes first. Let's do that. Now let's see. Now we're waiting still for a trade. And right away get a trade, we stop both bots. So now basically the bot that will give us the first trade we will take. And that was the CryptoBot. Okay, then we push stop and we stop the MACD also. And just like that, no bots are running and we are in the trade. That means the trade is 7 minutes, so basically 13 minutes past 12 will be the time where big chance that we are in the money. Let's see if we are in the money right now. We are not. We have a call. That means we want the price of Ethereum to go up. So now let's take a look at Ethereum. Then what we do, we push here in top right there, we choose it's a little difficult to push with a tablet. It's not always respond. Let's see. I had it for a second there now. Let's see. There, okay. Then we choose crypto. I think was Ethereum. So you want the price of Ethereum to go up. Okay, looks like we are in the money right now, and that's correct. So yeah, then we are just waiting for this trade to be done. We can, while we are waiting, we can calculate what type of profit we can expect. Then we take minus 277 plus, and then we need to wait till we are in the money to see what type of profit. While we wait, we can just look here once again. So yeah, like I said, I do not like the top bots here because I basically do not understand why the trades are taken. And I have told before, and I will say again, it's better you wait for some of the bots. Like I like the number 8, for example, in the list here, because it's based on support and resistance. It's something I can understand. But some of these other ones, I don't understand so much why the trades are taken, and then I don't trust it so much. So that's something you need to keep in mind also. Of course, if for some reason you understand some of the other bots here and you see, okay, that's the reason the trade's done, perfect, then go for it. Some of these are supposed to be better than the number 8, for example. So something to keep in mind. What I'm saying don't need to be correct for you. So and also everything is about the time you're trading. Like now, for example, is not a good time to trade. Typically the best time to trade is the Asian session. So but often when I make videos, it's not the correct time to make videos, to be quite frankly with you. So that, keep that in mind also, that everything can be optimized even better than I have done. Like the balance you see up there now, all this 22,000 is pure profit, because I have already withdrawn. If you have not seen, see the video below down here, you can see that I did withdraw $5,000. That was my initial money I did put in. So all this is pure profit right now. My plan now is to build this up to 100,000 and withdraw 100,000 and start all over again. That would be amazing. So that's something I'm going to try to build up, and you can follow me on this channel if I manage that. So let's see. Now let's go back to the broker to see if we are in the money. We are not. Let's put candlestick instead. That I think is much easier to see on candlestick than this line graph. Okay, so we see the trade was taken in this region. Somehow I can actually see why the trade is taken actually, because we can see you have a strong, in all this region you have a strong support line. So that might be the reason for the trade. I can't say 100% because the trade is taken a little high, but still looks like that's the reason. But now looks like this trade might be a loser because we are really breaking down now. We need to, you can see the last 3 bars now, they just fall down. But let's not count our losses before we are done, because this can shoot in 1 bar, we can shoot above this level. So let's see. I'm sorry about the background now. It looks like I have some annoying neighbors outside there talking. I think it's so annoying when people talk in the outside the doors of people. This is things that annoys me crazy much. It's nothing I can do with, sadly. When you live in an apartment building, you can't change your neighbors, right? So now we are going up. Let's see. We need a push, because now the support turns resistance, so we need to break this line you see here. So if we see a green bar above my line here now, that will be good, but I think this might be a loser, because you can see how many times this support here did hold. So it will be strange if you will shoot up above it in just one bar, because we don't have time now. I think it's just a matter of seconds now before this is a loser. So let's see, we will actually be lucky now if this break up in this resistance zone. So, but let's wait and see. We will not count our losses yet, but it don't looks good. Let's see. But yes, the trade in itself was a good trade. It's a trade I could have taken, because it was actually close to the support line, so I could understand this trade at least, and I like to see that. Now let's see, I think we are now in the matter of like 30 seconds left, so we really need a very strong bar up for us to not lose this trade. I think we already lost now. Let's see. Yeah, we lost it, but it's completely okay. Let's then try to run this bot one more time. We push run. Now we need the 2 winners to recover this loss, basically. Let's run the MACD at the same time, so we are a little faster, so we maybe take 2 trades at the same time. I would love that, because then the recovery will be much faster. So let's just follow and see. So now, like I said, we are running 2 bots at the same time. This is just so we can recover the loss faster. And if we lose this too, then we are stopping for the day. We got 2 trades. That means we can just stop both bots, and then let's see if both are winners. If both are winners, we will turn profit. Then I will calculate after what our profit will be. So that means in 7 minutes more, we will see if we turn profit. Typically, when you are losing one trade and you recover with 2 trades after, you turn a profit around $300-400. I'm perfectly happy with that, because I have told before, I have 3 rules. The first rule is, if you get 3 losers in a row, you stop for the day. If you trade under news, it's never good. So go to investing.com, look after 3 stars news, and never trade 1 hour before and 2 hours after a news. That's why Asian session is typically quite good, because it's very rare you have any type of news in the Asian session. Then you have, my God, how they're talking. So annoying. So, and rule, I even don't manage to concentrate. And the last rule is, right away you turn profit, you stop for the day. Now let's see. 1 is in the money and 1 is not. So then we just wait and see. Another possibility we have that could be fun for the sake of the video. Why don't we go into euro against dollar and see if we can help the trade? No, I will not do that. This is about BinBotPro. I will not do manual trade together with it. I will not break, because then the numbers you're getting is not correct for the bot. So I leave that for another channel, because we could go in and X2 the trade and turn it to a profit trade, but that's not something I will do. So that means if this is a loser now they both are winners, perfect. That means when the trades are done, we are done, and then we can see how much we are making. Let's see. I need to be nice about this, because typically I want to help the trades because I have quite experience, because when I'm manual trading, I always win. So a robot, I want to help the robot. The bot have been super good with me, but sometimes I even want to help the bot, you know, because that's my experience, want to play in also. So let's see, the trades are done 22. So that means we have 5 minutes left still. So, and I will try I will not help the bot, because that will give false results for you also. So I will not help the bot in this series where I'm building up to 100,000 now, because that will not give it the correct numbers for you when you push this run button. So for that case, I will not help it. So I will leave my manual trading for my other videos. So let's do like that. So now let's just wait. Like I said, we have now 4 more minutes before the trade is done. So like I said, if you want to try out BinBotPro yourself, you can do so. Minimum deposit is $250. I do have a promo code below the video. You will get 200% using my link with that promo code. That means if you put the minimum deposit, you will receive $500. And basically whatever extra you choose to put in, you will receive the double of it. So let's say now, for example, you started with $250 and you have done the same like I have done. I traded around 6 weeks right now. That means you can just remove one number from mine. You would have this with $250 if you have traded like me. So that means your balance, and that means you have also withdrawn $500. Keep that in mind. You started, you did deposit $250. You got the double. That means you got $500. You did withdraw $500, and this is the balance if you have done exactly the same I have done in my 6 weeks. So it's only so you can see the possibilities. And then of course, if you put more than me, you can add the zero, whatever you feel for. But I felt I did go in quite strong with $2,500. It's quite a lot of money. So you don't need to go in so hard like I did. But it's been good for me. Now let's see if the trades are still in profit. They are. Beautiful. Then we just wait more 2-ish minutes and we are done. Then we will do a calculation, because that means we did lose our first trade, but we did win the 2 next trades. That means they will recover the one loss we had and turn a small profit. So let's see what that profit will be. I'm expecting around $300-400 in profit. So let's wait and see. So this is the way you can trade, that you always need to have money management. It's super important, super important. I can't stress that enough. That is with binary, that is for Forex, that is if you do affiliate marketing. Always have money management. If you don't have money management in any of these type of businesses, whatever business you do in life, you need to be careful with your money and use it correctly. It's super important. Like I could have put run button now and think, I want more money. Don't think like that. Turn profit, be happy for the day. Do that. Now let's see. The trades should be done. I could go and see this in the trading, but sometimes I like to go in after. I hate to sit and look the numbers. I hate it. I just hate it. If with Forex, with binary, whatever, I hate to be sitting looking to see if I win or not, because I know if I lose one of these trades now, I know I need to be sitting more 7, maybe 14 more minutes to conclude. Now let's go. We go in. Let's go to closed. I can go up and see the balance, but we are not going to do that. Let's push closed. And did I win the first trade also? I could not remember that. What is our balance now? 23,000. Maybe I did see wrong. Then let's see. If we then take the balance we have here, 2277.8. Oh wait, 2277.8 minus, let's take the balance we have up here, 23.4. Yeah, no, this seems correct. Let's log in and out here. Let's push exit. Because it says $456 profit. So we did not win the one. It's a error in their system. Because then we would have much more profit. We did lose the first trade. Let's go here now. Let's log in. Because the balance reflects that we lost one trade. Let's go here. We choose closed. Yeah, exactly what I thought. So you see, we lost the first trade there, and we won two next, and we return a profit of I don't see $456. So I'm super happy with that. So that's the way you can run the bot securely. So now if we go here, it's a little now you can see that we need to go out. I don't know why it's like this, but it's like this with me. Maybe it's my browser or whatever. I need to go in and out, and now it should reflect the same number here, 2344. And you see it's the same number. So now it's in order. So with that, we did turn profit today also, not as much as I wanted, but I'm super happy with how much was it again? I have a short memory. $456. So that's a good profit in a day, I would say. So we basically now we did work 21-ish minutes, little more, and that's a good salary for, let's say, 25 minutes. So with that, have a perfect day, and remember, subscribe and like the video, and have a perfect day.